Hello everybody, it's day 3 of the trip. It's June 18th, 2017. And yeah, it's been pretty good. I got a new haircut. So did he, and he's being lazy right now. There's also a bit here. I just want to show you. Look, there's babies. Look over there. Look. Look, see? See? Look. This is the mom. I don't know if you could see it, but it's all the way over there. But you could see them right there. And that's the mom who's trying to protect him. It's surprising the other dogs haven't came here yet because they bark me everywhere whenever I come here. Also, someone I know owns a bus. I never knew someone like one of my relatives owns a bus. This is how buses work nowadays. I get to see the inside of a bus. Oh yeah, also, I don't know if I made a mistake, but yesterday was June 17th, which was day 2. Which was, yeah, and the day before that was, I think June 16th, yeah. So yeah, I think I got my math wrong, but hey, that's how life works now. I'm surprised these dogs haven't barked at me for going near the little babies. Or maybe it's because they were tired and they didn't hear it. See? This person's playing a game. And apparently he is my uncle. And he's like 13 years old. Okay. Look, a chicken just laid an egg. The chicken. They just laid an egg.
Okay, be careful with it. You don't want it to make it not crap, yeah?
Not chicken one. This chicken.
It's gonna hatch. I know, Bubby, I know it's chicken.
Right here is hatching.
I know it's chicken.
Right here. Not eggs. It's hatching.
My dad just found more eggs. I don't know if they're hatching. If you can see them, then.
Look at that. You can go closer.
Yeah, but the chicken's gonna kick me.
You see it, the eggs?
I see the eggs. I already did, but I don't see it hatching. Okay. Yeah, he's still barking at me. He's like, are they recording me? Well, he's like, I'm watching you, so you better be careful, or you're going to get hurt, Evan. Oh. only saying. I'm only saying. I'm not hurting you or your puppies. You and your puppies will be fine. Besides, I can't even touch you anyway. There are 6 puppies here. There's 2 here and 4 over there. Oh no, you can see the other 4, but I can't.